Should you be using ceramides and niacinamide together? Hi, my name is Dr. Morgana Colombo, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist working in Virginia and founder of Vida Derma, a skincare line aimed to treat mature skin as it ages. In today's video, we are getting into why so many dermatologists recommended moisturizers include both ceramides and niacinamide. The answer comes down to synergy. These two ingredients don't just work well side by side, they boost each other's effects. They help each other out. Let me explain to you what each ingredient does on its own before we look at what happens when you combine them. Ceramides are lipids that naturally make up a large part of the skin barrier. They are like the glue responsible for holding your skin cells together, which helps to keep moisture in and irritants out. When ceramides are low, your skin becomes dry, sensitive, and way more reactive. This is especially common in people with atopic dermatitis, eczema-prone skin, psoriasis, aging skin, or conditions like diabetes that affect skin barrier function. Even infants and individuals with skin of color often have unique barrier needs that make ceramides particularly helpful. Now let's talk about niacinamide. So niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It plays a completely different but complementary role to the ceramides. Niacinamide is known for being one of the most well-tolerated ingredients in skincare and has a long list of benefits. One of the most important is its ability to stimulate the skin's own production of ceramides and other barrier lipids. So it supports your barrier by helping the skin create more of its natural building blocks. Niacinamide improves skin hydration, restores water loss from the skin, and improves the skin's ability to protect itself. Niacinamide can also help calm inflammation and improve skin tone by reducing uneven pigmentation. So when you put in ceramides and niacinamide together, the positive effect is like Maximide is way stronger. Ceramides provide immediate barrier support, replenishing what your skin is missing right away. Niacinamide then boosts skin's natural ability to make its own ceramides in the long term. Clinical and mechanistic studies show that niacinamide actually increases the production of ceramides, glucosylceramides, and sphingomyelins and keratinocytes in the skin cells. So this means your skin is not just being treated on the surface, it's being guided to restore itself from within, which is amazing. Over time, this leads to better hydration of the skin, fewer flare-ups of irritation, and improved skin resilience. Win-win with the ceramides. This pairing is especially helpful for people with skin conditions marked by barrier dysfunction. So these include patients who have eczema or atopic dermatitis, as well as patients with psoriasis, older adults, infants, aging women who are estrogen deficient. They can all benefit from this combination. So, and for skin of color or people with diabetes, where barrier behaves a little different and they're more prone to irritation and inflammation and dryness, the blend of ceramides and niacinamide can be really beneficial and protective. So the choice of moisturizer really plays a role. So if you're looking for a thick moisturizer that has ceramides and niacinamide, check out our Restore on the Vida Derma website. And I have that linked below. Concentration of niacinamide in this product is 5%, which is strong enough to make a noticeable difference, but not as likely to cause irritation as compared to, some other products with higher amounts of niacinamide. So this moisturizer has your ceramides and niacinamide, but it also has the proper amount of fatty acids and cholesterol and hyaluronic acid to further complete this combination you need to restore your barrier. It's great for people that want extra hydration, for people that have sensitive skin. Great winter moisturizer. I personally love it and use it all the time. So what questions do you have about your skin? Please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them in my next video. If you found this helpful, please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.